Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we have 4 Samoan phrases that you can use when at the park. Here they are. Our first Samoan phrase that you can use at the park is E te alu I le paka. E te alu I le paka. And that means, are you going to the park? Our second Samoan phrase, O ai te lua o I le paka. O ai te lua o I le paka. And that means, who are you going to the park with? Our third Samoan phrase that you can use. Ma te o mala'u wo. Ma te o mala'u wo. I'm going with my friend. Our next Samoan phrase that you can use at the park is Ma naia le tatou te whaunga I le paka. Ma naia le tatou te whaunga I le paka. Our trip to the park was awesome. Whakataitele, and thank you for joining us here at Measina, Treasures of Samoa. If you liked this video and it gave you value, make sure to give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing to support us even further. Thank you again. Tell us which of these phrases you will be using in your everyday use, and even tell us what kind of phrases you'd like us to teach you in the comments. Let us know. Links to our online Samoan course is in the description, so make sure to check that out. Whakataitele lava, and thank you. Have a great day.